Welcome back to the channel. This is Isaac Angel and you're watching Where Are We Going? I'm in front of the Keystone Cougar Hero Edition. This is a very, very unique travel trailer. It's green, it's the army green, and there's a lot more to tell about. I'm gonna have Scott tell you all about it. You will be very, very impressed.
Hi, I'm Scott Taylor. I'm the product manager of the Cougar division here at Keystone RV. And we're here at the Hershey RV show, and we're standing right in front of my brand new exciting exterior paint, all part of the Hero Edition package. Now, I'll tell you, this started out as a concept. At Keystone, we actually own our own paint facility, and every year we want to try new things. And we have a matte paint finish, a clear coat for that really nobody else in my segment has it. So we wanted to give it a shot. And the minute we saw it come out of the factory, we knew there was something more that we could do. So we reached out to an organization called Wounded Warrior, and they are phenomenal. We couldn't be more happy to partner up with them. If you're not familiar with Wounded Warrior, it was established after 9/11 for all those heroes that gave, in some cases, the ultimate sacrifice, and really giving back to them to help their quality of life, if you will, or even their family members. So for every one of these Hero Editions sold for the next 12 months, Keystone will donate $1,000 per Hero Edition sold, up to $1 million. I can tell you, it's something that it really hits home. The people that you work with, the people that are in the community, how many campers out there that are actually military, it really hits home with a lot of people. And again, this is one that hits home, and we're really excited about it. So exterior wise, a couple other things. Now, with some of my other packages, we do give you a few options that are standard. With this one, it's the slide toppers, and really that's it. We wanted more people to be able to afford this trailer. Okay, so come see this. It's on any of my full-size Cougar lineup. You also get the frameless windows on the exterior and the glass entry door as well. And you can't see it right now, but you do have underground lighting, green awning lights, just LED lights on the front as well. Just give it a classic look. And that's it on the exterior. I got some cool stuff on the inside as well if you'd like to see it. Come on. Now, what I didn't mention on the exterior is every single Cougar, whether it's a travel trailer or fifth wheel, comes standard with anti-lock brakes. Your car has anti-lock brakes, your truck has anti-lock brakes. Shouldn't your RV have it as well? And that's not something that we're gonna compromise on. And from this point on, we are always going to have anti-lock brakes. We also, in my full-size Cougars, we have H-rated tires as well. Now that's steel in the tread and steel in the sidewalls, and it carries that 8-year warranty on those. Awesome tires. Inside, we're standing in what I would call a traditional rear living, opposing slides, big windows, big island kitchen. But a couple things that are new for us this year is our utility pantry. You've got the normal pantry, you've got the normal coffee station hutch area here, okay? We even have a motion sensing light inside. But this utility pantry is just that, it's utilitarian. You've got extra storage. You've got a taller spot here. You can even an outlet right here. So if you do want to maybe plug in a vacuum, a cordless vac, you can, all right there. Okay. So also to the dinette table. Actually, Cougar came out with this. We developed this with our supplier. We did this for 2024. Not everybody wants a traditional dinette. Some people want to use it for a desk. Some people maybe it's just two people and they just want more space. So we put this pivot mechanism on this, so this can slide and go up there, and now you can set 2 chairs like this if you'd like. Plus you have the ottoman that you can move around and put in your living room for extra leg space, if you will. Come up this way, let me show you a few things. This floor plan of the 316 has a huge bathroom in it, double vanity, lots of countertop space, huge linen closet, and a giant shower with a bench seat. And king bed on a slide out. Don't forget my little hidden storage right here, okay? You've got a spot for stackable washer and dryer, or maybe a combination unit if you want. And then a huge closet, LED light in here as well. Just some of the everyday comfort features. All my full size come standard. They come standard with 2 air conditioners. The main AC is an 18,000 BTU chill cube from Furrion, and it's dynamite. It absolutely cools this trailer down. And then an additional 15,000 to hit this bedroom and that bathroom as well. Cougar itself is not brand new. We've been out for 26 years in the industry. We're actually the #1 selling fifth wheel in North America. And the Hero Edition, however, is relatively new. We're standing in the second one ever built. And they're going to be hitting the dealers' lots here at the end of September, all across the country, actually all across North America. Now, as far as power goes, this is a 50 amp coach. We have power auto level on every single one of our Cougar fifth wheels as well. I already mentioned the H-rated tires. This, I say standard, so there's nothing standard about it. It comes with a 220 watt panel, 30 amp charge controller, and we have 7 outlets in this trailer that are ready to go. If you were to add an inverter, they're ready to go off an inverter. A lot of our fifth wheels, a lot of our customers upgrade to that Solar Flex 440. Gives you 2 220 watt panels and that 2000 watt inverter. So it's ready to go as far as more off the grid, if you will. Yeah, as far as furniture goes, I already showed you the awesome freestanding table and chairs, if you will. But you do also have 2 theater seats. Those are heat and massage, and a large sofa on the rear that folds out into a tri-fold sofa with 2 enormous end tables. But one of the best things about this trailer is all the windows that you get, a great view of your campsite as well. Again, we got a lot to choose from. Cougar has over 22 floor plans here at the Hershey RV show. Again, the Hero Edition is what we're standing in right now. And we're excited to show it to you. Hopefully you come out and see us.